Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted contacts on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, you should keep in mind that you should have a previous backup of your contacts in order to recover your deleted contacts. So for that, first of all, you need to open up your phone settings. From here, you need to tap on your name on the top, which is your Apple ID. After that, if you scroll down, you'll get to see iCloud. Tap on that. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see an option for contacts. So in order to make this work, we will turn off this option. So tap on it to disable it. And then you'll get to see this option. Here you need to tap on Keep on my iPhone. Once it's done, tap on it to enable it back again. After doing it, you need to tap on Merge. Once you do that, your backed up files will be recovered to your iPhone. That way, you can find deleted contacts on your iPhone. Just keep in mind that if you do not have a previous backup, there will be no way you can find your deleted contacts. So make sure you have a backup and then try to recover using this method. So that is how you can find deleted contacts on iPhone. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.